Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cyrus Creations, and today I'm here with another sewing project. Today I'm introducing you twin needles. These needles are so much fun to work with, especially if you're working on a t-shirt. If you ever seen t-shirts and like they have a straight two-line stitches and but on the back there's some stuff going on and you're always surprised how they do that. So with the twin needles they do that, and I will show you how these needles work. So mostly these needles comes in three sizes. I have got them from amazon.com. If you guys interested, I can put link on a description box. So they have three different sizes: small, medium, and large. Mostly large one, this one they use on a free motion embroidery, because majority of presser foot on our sewing machines didn't have enough space, so our needles can move. I mostly use the middle one, which is really helpful, and the small one if you want less gap in two stitches. And I have a couple stitches done here for you guys, so I can show you. As you can see, these are different kind of stitches I have done with the twin needles, and I use a different color, two different colors, so you guys can easily see that. So today I gonna show you one of stitch this one on my dress which I'm working on, and I'm pretty excited for that project. But my sewing machine have here so many different stitches, so that's why I did experiment with these all stitches, so I can find out which stitches allow me to do to use my twin needles. As you can see, I already have used two color on top of. If you check your sewing machine accessories, you can find out always you have something like this. This is actually used for double thread when you are using on your sewing machine. So if you have it, I'm sure you will be excited to use that one. And so they both threads are going on the same way to our needles. So my needles are thread with the thread, and I have a bobbin on the bottom, and I already select my stitch number 29, which is over here on a dial, and that's also allow me to